you feel it between your hands, pull your hands even more apart just like that, and see if you feel the energy still fill your hands. So look, I know that if you want to, you can just close your hands together, but I want you to really get a good feel. Are you ready to do that? Okay, cool. All right, cool. Now, pull your hands apart like this, and then give yourself an energy hug. Everyone say, I love you, me. All right, one more time, pull your hands apart. Now, your energy from your body comes from your stomach. Everyone say ki. Everyone say chi. So your chi or your ki energy comes from your body. So we're going to give energy back. We're going to go like this and give your belly a hug. Everyone say, I love you, belly. All right, awesome. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.